It was Dairy Day in Springfield at the Dorris Milling Company, June 23rd, with every kind of milk-related contest you could possibly imagine. Let's check it out.
Eat! Go! Come on!
First up was an ice cream eating contest.
The winner! Woo! Okay, that's first place. Keep eating. Second place. Oh, second place. Keep up with who's who. Oh, third place right here. All right. Go ahead and just eat them down. Tie for third. Okay, tie for third. All right, the three winners come to me. Four winners. Get a tie for third. Yeah, tie for third. Okay, you're the first place winner. Everybody give them a round of applause. First place winner.
We got Quinn, first place.
All
Good
right.
job. You can pick out one of your prizes over there.
Right, okay. You will get to pick and
right here.
Yeah, right here. You also get to pick off this table. Okay, now the third place was a tie. These two right here. Thank you. Or, yeah, these two. Okay, what are y'all's names? Pierce and Gracie. Gracie, okay. Pierce and Gracie. Third place tie, you all get to pick off the table right there. Wait a minute, Mr. Phillips is going to demonstrate here in a minute how to do it.
Next up
Yes, he
was
is.
the Milk Mustache
Go, Mr.
competition.
All right. I mean a pro. A pro. That's a good one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, show us. Show them to us. Everybody look. All right. Okay. All right, don't move. Don't wipe it yet. Everybody cheer for the winners. Yay! Okay, Elizabeth.
Sounds like this one right here is the winner. What do y'all think? Look
Okay.
at that.
All
You can
right.
wipe it. Second place looked like it was this one.
This lady right here. Okay, second place. Yay.
And third place.
Third place. All right. Great. Okay, you can wipe now. Wipe them off.
First, second, and third. Y'all go ahead and pick out a gift.
Homemade ice cream contest to get to figure out who made the bestest.
First place with a gift certificate and $100 cash and a pick of the fine prizes over there is Tracy Stoddard. That's all right. Thank you. I didn't know you had a camera. Second place is Viola Kelly.
Late entry, second place.
Second place with $50 and a gift certificate, and then your choice of prizes over here.
We really ought to give this to John. He doesn't know what to
And third place is to Stacy, what? Tracy Bertram. With $20 and gift certificate, and you can choose right over there. All right, and then of course fourth place is Diane Kelly, and you can.
Next, it was the cow and calf weight guessing contest. What would you guess each of these weigh?
The calf weighed 233 pounds. And the winner of the calf is Jim Arms. See here?
Thank you very much for coming. Yeah, thank you very much for coming.
$10 gift certificate.
Thank you.
And the cow weighed 1308. And Kathy Warden. Is Kathy Warden here? Right here. $10 gift certificate.
What was your guess, Kathy?
1300.
8 pounds.
Yeah, that's 8 pounds off.
Go!
And then it was on to the Milk Mustache competition for the adults.
All right, Elizabeth.
First place right here.
First place, all right. Second place.
$10 gift certificate.
Second place.
Mr. Strasser over here.
Mr. Strasser, Mr. Bob right there. Hey.
This has been Jim Ball reporting at the Dorris Milling Company in Springfield, June 23rd, 2012.
If you want a beautiful yard, don't go to one of those places that have a plant section. Go to Corbin Creek Greenhouse. Plants are all they do. Corbin Creek Greenhouse has been dealing with plants for generations. Their friendly, knowledgeable staff will answer all of your questions, whether they're simple or highly complex. So when you're ready to take down the neighbors with the best landscaping on the block, you want Corbin Creek Greenhouse. They're located at 4920 Highway 161 in Springfield, 384-3185. Once again, 384-3185.